Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the monitor model and immediate specs. Look at the physical label on the back or underside. Note brand, model, and serial number so you can search precisely. Once done, open the OSD menu and scan for native resolution and refresh rate. These are primary. Make sure to have a spare cable and a computer ready to connect. This helps verify active modes. Doing this first saves time because model searches often return everything you need. Fast. Next, confirm what your system reports and gather deeper details. In Windows or Mac OS display settings, you can see detected resolution and refresh rate. Note them. Then open the GPU control panel to inspect color depth, pixel clock, and scaling options. This reveals mode limits versus capabilities. After that, visit the manufacturer support or product page to download the datasheet. It lists contrast ratio, brightness in CD/M2, panel type, and exact connector versions. Combining system readouts with official specs gives a complete picture. Finally, verify specs in practice and resolve discrepancies. Connect the correct cable, DisplayPort for 144Hz and above, HDMI for 4K at 60Hz, then choose the native mode in your OS. Run test patterns to confirm color, dead pixels, uniformity, and measured response times. This validates datasheet claims. If reported specs differ, update graphics drivers, try a higher spec cable, or reset the monitor OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.